So ever since we did the Alpharex Nova series projector headlight installation video, the one thing everybody's asking is how bright they are. We did the install, we showed you how to install them, we showed you all the features. We really didn't get into the brightness of them. I know a lot of people when they look at aftermarket headlights think, you know what, it's not as bright as the factory. Well, I think in the case of the Alpharex, these Ice Cube projectors, it's gonna be a lot different. The light up from these is very impressive. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna compare the Alpharex with a stock set of headlights. We're gonna start on the wall of our studio, we're gonna take them outside of the parking lot, and then finally we'll take them for a drive.